In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gift Card in Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you acquired a Google Play gift card, you will be able to redeem it into your Google Play Store account and then buy Robux. Keep in mind that if you are using an iOS device, then you will not be able to do this. You can only redeem your Google gift card to purchase Robux if you are using an Android device. So all that you have to do is open Roblox, tap on the Robux icon, usually at the top right corner of the screen, and in here browse through all of the options available related to Robux. Just tap on any amount, and whenever you tap on the Robux amount that you want to purchase, you will see this Google Play Store pop up. So in here, you can browse through all of the payment methods. All that you have to do is choose redeem code. So usually it is going to be the last one. Immediately upon selecting redeem code, you will be able to enter the Google gift card code here. So enter any valid code, and as soon as you tap redeem, the balance of that specific gift card will be added into your account. So let's say you have a 10 USD gift card, you will receive 10 US dollars on your Google Play Store account, and you can choose from any of the Robux packages worth up to $10. Now, sadly, I don't have a gift card at hand to demonstrate this full process with, but as soon as you choose redeem code and you enter a valid code here, you will be able to get it redeemed. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you are using an iOS device, then sadly it is impossible to do this. If you have a Google gift card, you can only redeem it on Android devices through the Google Play Store with a Google account. So if you don't have access to an Android device, I would recommend asking someone else to let you borrow their device. You will be able to download Roblox, sign into your account, and proceed to checkout, where you can find the redeem code option as I showed you here. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Google Gift Card in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.